All right, let's check this. All right, this is on the third floor, room 338 of the Residence Hotel. I am in a sea view room, so when I'm in these kind of hotels, the first thing I check out is the view. Let's see. Oh yeah. So over there's the Mediterranean behind the trees. There's some beach. We'll check it out in a minute. And a pretty big pool. And also down there in that area is an indoor pool as well, which is definitely worth checking out. So, balcony, couple of seats, not bad. Cable TV, big bed. I don't know if it's comfortable yet, but a little bit hard, but it's okay. It's okay. It kind of feels like this was a palace before it was a hotel. I know this has been open since about 1997, and I believe the building is much older. So in there is the mini bar. Let's have a look at the bathroom very quickly. Woo! I like it. Nice. I like dark bathrooms. You don't have to look at yourself so much. So it's the shower and amenities, bath. You know, I almost never take baths when I'm in hotels, but I gotta try this one because they've got bath salts. And they smell pretty good as well. Here's the amenities with the hotel. And let's see, I think that's it. Yep. What's that down there? Scales? God, no, I'm not getting on them. No way, it's been a long holiday. So that's the room. Let's go and check out the rest of this 5-star luxury hotel. So that is my room up there. This is the pool. Let's have a wee look now. Ooh, it's nice. Good weather as well. Today's about 23 Celsius. It's warm. Hotel's not too full. Nice. Nice wee rosé. It is so cheap here as well. So let's go and find this beach, which should be over here. It can't be far. So let's see. Okay, I'm liking this hotel more and more. This is the private garden path leading to the equally private beach. Oh man, I have a nice feeling about this. I'm excited. This might be the first African beach resort that was awesome. I think a lot of shit ones. This one could be actually alright. Let's see. Okay, hotel over there. Beach bar there. And this is alright. It's getting a cliched 1 thumb up. And they serve booze as well, which is great for a Muslim country. Say no more. Oh, check this out. They've got camels over there. Camels! And they horses or donkeys? Horses. Alright, we gotta go say salam alaikum to the camels. Oh, they got baby camels as well. Nice. Now camels usually hate my guts. They always in my face, so see if these ones are a bit better trained than this. That beach bar was lovely, lovely. This is the kind of place I could just go and sit, watch a sunset, drink a cocktail, and forget my real life. Working in the Middle East. Anyway, let's go and check out the spa. Okay, so now we're inside. There's a hot water, in fact it's seawater swimming pool indoors right here in the spa. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. So included in the room rate you'll get gym, fitness, sauna, steam room, outdoor pool, and this is the indoor pool. Wow, isn't that nice? Beautiful. I got too lazy to go downstairs for dinner, so I ended up just bringing dinner up to my room. Oh, you gotta love room service.